Morning skincare routine, but in Filipino. Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. I'm going to do this in a Taglish version because I'm not really that fluent in Filipino. Taglish is like a combination of Filipino-English. So I'm going to do this using Taglish. So kakagising ko lang and 8:30 na. Magkikleanse muna ako ng face and then I'll go back here. Ang ingay ng truck sa labas, di ko alam kung ano yung ginagawa doon. Anyways, susuot ko to para hindi mabasa ang aking pajama. And my headband. So cute. So, ito yung ginagamit kong cleanser. This is Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel Cleanser. Ubus na siya, guys. Ginagamit ko siya since 2022. Dito ako nahiyang. So, dito lang talaga ako nag-stick. Hindi niya masyadong nag-dry out yung face ko. So, finish na. I'm using this Crest 3D White. Guys, mag-video kayo sa umaga. I use the Garnier Micellar Vitamin C. Kaya ako nagki-cleansing water para ma-make sure ko na wala na siyang dirt. Pagkatapos, ginamit ko tong Haro Haro Wonder Black Rice Probiotic Barrier Essence. Simula nung ginamit ko to, as in, nag-improve talaga yung skin texture ko. Para siyang moisturizer slash treatment slash serum. For hydration, ginagamit ko tong The Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid. And then, ang aking favorite, the COSRX Nail Advanced 96 Nail Mousse and Essence. So, ito guys, super ganda nito in terms of moisturizing and hydrating your face. And then, another holy grail is itong Beauty of Johnson Relief Sun Probiotics. So, this is a sunscreen. Ang ganda talaga nito. Like, super soothing, super light. I use this Mavala Double Lash Serum. I don't know, I'm Filipino, but I feel like I don't know how to speak Filipino properly. I may have to put some lip stain. So this is the Facial Potter Tint. I use this one than Benetint because super mahal ng Benetint, guys, and it does the same thing. I'm going to use this Say lip gloss. Ang ganda nito, guys, kasi clean beauty siya. Let's put on a little blush. I use this Huda Beauty blush filter, guys. Ang ganda nito. Kasi ang easy to blend niya din. And hindi siya mabilis mag-set, buildable, and everything. So, I think this is my favorite liquid blush. So, yun na yun, guys. Kung nag-enjoy kayo, please follow for more. Mwah!